Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding intercepts of a nonlinear function giving its graph. So below we're given a function on a graph. This is what it looks like on the coordinate plane. We're asked to give all x and y intercepts. Okay, so what is a y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is going to be wherever the function crosses the y-axis. So where does that happen? The intersection is right here. So what is that value? The y-intercept, which is also sometimes written as this, y-int, is at what point? Always going to put a point here. Well, our x value is always going to be 0, and our y value is -2 there, right? Because if it's a y-intercept, why is our x value always 0? Because that's what the x value is at that y-axis. Okay, for the x-intercept, that's always going to happen along the x-axis. So where does that happen? That happens here. Oh wait, it also happens here. What are those points? Well, -4 and then 0, y is always 0 again because the x-axis, so the y value is 0. And then it happens again at 2, 0. So finding the intercepts of a nonlinear function giving its graph is that simple. We find for the x-intercept, we go along the x-axis and find where the function crosses the x-axis. And for the y-intercept, we go along the y-axis and find where the function crosses the y-axis.